Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. We are from Group 1, and before we begin our presentation, we would like to introduce ourselves first. My name is Mawar Fiata bin Syamsimbang.
My name is Muhammad Izzat bin Putri.
My name Iman Naufal bin Fauzi.
The first one is the introduction. The purpose of technical analysis is to help investors evaluate the stock price movement using historical price data and trading volume. It assists traders in identifying market trends, entry and exit points, and potential price reversals. Next is the company background. As you can see, the main Technovation is one of Malaysia's leading semiconductor equipment providers. The company serves global semiconductor manufacturer and has strong growth potential due to increasing demand in advanced packaging technologies. Next is objective. There are four: to analyze the stock trend, identify chart pattern, apply technical indicators, and recommend buy, hold, or sell. Next, recent development, June 2026. In 24 June 2026, Technovation applied to list its semiconductor materials subsidiary Material Holding PPE Ltd on the Singapore Exchange. The IPO is expected to be completed in Q4 2026, subject to regulatory and shareholder approval. Technovation will retain a 72.61% controlling stake after the listing. The listing aims to unlock shareholder value, raise capital for expansion, and strengthen the company focus on its semiconductor materials. Next is the performance analysis. For Technovation, the price index is RM2 and the final price index is RM4.70, and the return will be 135 cents, thus 135%. And for the NTSE Bursa Malaysia KSCI, the return will be 10.53%.
So, good morning, good afternoon everyone. Thank you for coming today. I am going to share you about technical indicator and signal. So our main goal is look at the stock price trend and market momentum. To do this, we use three popular technical indicators. You can see them on the chart: the stochastic oscillator, relative strength index (RSI), and moving average convergence divergence (MACD). So the first one is relative strength index (RSI). The signal here is bold. Usually, if the RSI goes below 30, it means the stock is oversold. If it goes above 70, it means it is overbought. Right now, the price is just consolidating or moving sideways after a very strong upward rally. Because it is resting, the recommendation is to hold the position you already have. So the second one is stochastic oscillator. This also gives a hold signal in the past. When the line crossed below 20, it gave a good buy signal. When they crossed above 80, it was a good time to take profit. Right now, the price is dropping a little bit in the short term, but the overall momentum is still positive, so the recommendation is to hold and keep watching the momentum. The last one is MACD. This indicator gives a strong buy signal. We can see a bullish divergence, which means the selling pressure is getting weaker. This is confirmed by a bullish crossover showing that a new uptrend has started. Also, the positive histogram shows that buying momentum is strong. The recommendation here is to buy or keep holding.
So next, why did we Technovation outperform the KLCI? The first is strong technology sector growth due to increased global demand for semiconductor products. And next, business expansion. Expansion into semiconductor, automotive, and renewable energy industry. In addition, positive financial performance, strong company growth, increased investor confidence, and finally, favorable market sentiment means investors show higher buying interest in mid innovation shares.
So thank you, my friend. Next, I will be explaining the chart pattern analysis that we analyze. The first one is the primary trend. Our primary trend is currently bullish, which is it forms a higher high and higher low. This shows that the buyers are continuing to dominate the market. And the next one is secondary trend. Secondary trend is a short-term price correction after the rally. It caused by a profit taking, and it will make the current market price will go down. And so these are two technical overlays that we use to analyze our company. The first one is moving average. As we can see, this shows the current price are above the SMA 50, and it shows that the share price remains above all moving average. SMA 50 also shows an act like a dynamic support level. It also indicates a strong long-term uptrend. The next one is Bollinger Band. In this chart, the price already touched the upper band, which is it will cause overbought. And right now, the price are consolidating and moving and being retraced to the middle band after the rally. But the trend is overall is bullish and intact because the current price are right now above the middle band. We also suggest that while using Bollinger Bands, to the current investors, you need to hold the stock because right now the price are only doing a retracement. And the next one is stock analysis. There are two. The first one is strength. It shows the right now is strong long-term uptrend with and positive momentum supported by moving average and MACD. It also shows that the current market performance are strong. And the next one is weaknesses. Currently the market price is overbought with a short-term consolidation, and right now the price are possible temporary correction. So how to entry for SMA 50 is waiting for a pullback until it reach near SMA 50 or after a bullish confirmation. And where to exit the stop is near the resistance or a bearish crossover. So our overall strategy, just hold the existing position and wait for better entry before buy.
So for the conclusion, Technovation demonstrate a strong bullish long-term trend. Next, multiple indicators support the positive outlook. Current consolidation does not change the overall trend. All remain the most appropriate recommendation. Closing, this project enhance our understanding of technical analysis and demonstrate how different indicators can be integrated to support informed investment decision. Thank you.
on the first January 2024 means the chart also first January 2024 until first June 2026. Sepatutnya the range of the chart, the range of the price of the chart proceeding with the calculation. So which one is upper form comparing these two stock evidence? Which one is upper form? Yang mana lagi upper form? What? You stated on the report. Saya nak tahu lah sama ada yang tulis ke dia lain yang tulis. You stated the report sebab apa? Saya nak jual dia.
Reason was Technovation of Focal CI because
No, look at the numbers. Just look at the numbers first.
the return is higher than FLC.
The what? The percentage.
Percentage return is higher.
Okay, next. Look at the reason why it is outperformed compared to this time. When we get the data, strong economic sector growth, business expansion, financial performance, overall market sentiment.
I get the data from the report.
Which report?
From our report.
Your report. You stated in the report where is the data you get, the info you get. You see? Is it you just give the general statement, not the real data that shows that the company is very organized. Why you stated this? It's for tahu lah apa asas tu.
This is the general data.
General data. Where is the general data? great chart pattern analysis. The slide, you stated on the slide, chart pattern analysis. Is it you explain pattern right now?
No, sir. Mistake.
Okay, next question. Why you use 50, 100 and 200 MA as the trend analysis? Dekat sini, kenapa you guna 50, 100, 200?
The reason why we use 50, 100, and 200 is
Dekat sini gitu?
yeah,
Okay.
as we know, 50 is a very short-term market direction.
Short term?
Movement. Yes, 50 days.
50 short term?
50 days.
Are you sure? 50 short term?
I mean short between the 100 and 200.
Are you sure 50 short term?
I don't know say long term, but for SMA 50 is very faster than 100 and 200.
Yes, I understand very faster. And then you stated short term. Is it correct short term? 50 SMA?
No, sir. No.
Long term?
Long term.
Is it correct long term?
Yes, sir.
Very short term, intermediate, long term. Yang mana satu?
Still long term, sir.
So this intermediate. Intermediate or for the secondary trend. So, okay, from the page that really, okay. So what you get from these three MA? It shows what? The trend, uptrend, downtrend, or what?
It shows currently the trend is uptrend because SMA 50 is above between SMA 100 and 200. Currently,
50 above. 50 above. Because 50 above. It is very
currently the trend is uptrend because right now SMA 50 is above the line SMA 100 and 200.
that way you find and you identify the price is downtrend or uptrend. You need to compare with the other MA. You see? Then your is to identify. Betul. Maksudnya you cakap kalau 50 ke above daripada 100 to 100 is mean uptrend. You masukkan macam tu. Betul. Dan itu yang you kena buat.
Right now, I just tell that the currently is uptrend.
Okay, uptrend, I know uptrend. So you use MA to confirm the trend, right?
Yes.
So how you confirm the trend? So
So-
the MA.
If SMA 50 is below the price, that means right now it's bullish. If
For the secondary or primary?
for the primary
secondary primary. Tadi saya cakap tak kan intermediate.
Secondary sir.
Okay, 100 and 200 below, also below. So indicate what?
It indicates that
Primary trend.
primary trend, first trend now.
Primary trend, up trend, down trend.
Primary trend, up trend.
Because what?
Because the 700 and 200 are below the price.
You stated here in the report medium term, long term, tak tahu lah. Assumption is based on the several factors. Okay, where do you get the factors influencing the track and trend direction? Macam mana dia dapat ni? Factors influencing the trend direction. Positive sentiment. Why do you stated the positive sentiment from investor on stock? Nanti kasi saya tanya balik je. Apa yang dia nak katakan positive sentiment?
As
Macam mana boleh kasi kena report nanti saya tanya balik je.
for the positive sentiment is the company
From investor, macam tak? Besar tak serta dalam report? Present more higher than standard. Higher involvement in market after the breakout past the resistance level. Mana satu? Past resistance level. Mana past resistance level? Apa kat mana?
3 ringgit 10 sen. 3 ringgit 10 sen.
Ringgit 10 sen, ringgit 10 sen, ringgit 10 sen. Good direction in market. Where is the direction happen?
What's it? Excuse me, sir.
Good direction in the market. Where is the direction happen? Smash dengan any chicken for you. Okay, next. Okay, full flat. Chart pattern analysis. Bullish breakout. Pattern breakout ke?
Masa I
Okay, that's satu je. And there is no other pattern that is found in my chart.
yes sir.
I think there are another pattern. The previous pattern. But ini cari yang paling tahan. Oh ni pattern ni. Next, indicators. Okay, sekejap. If you look at the bullish trend, what is your projection of the stock? The projection of the price of the stock.
Projection.
Forecast ke project ke.
Waiting.
What you need to do? If you looking there is a bullish trend.
Waiting for wait until the price break out and then wait for pullback at the flag.
Okay, confirmation factors. Resistance 3 ringgit. Kenapa you letak resistance ni 3 ringgit 10 until 3 ringgit 26? Confirmation factors. Now the price 5 ringgit and 4 ringgit. This is the track. Kenapa orang nak tu break out? Nombor satu. Bullish breakout.
Diesel. I think
So buy or sell different right?
buy season.
Why you the translated to the report? Says England? Itu saya tak boleh bagi makan gigi. Faham tak? Bawah yang tak stated tadi.
Diesel.
How you identify that?
SMA 15 terus ilu SMA 100.
Next one in Japan. Okay, where is the price?
When touch lower band, lower Bollinger Band. Sell
When the price touch upper Bollinger Band.
So the price, is it, there is a sign that shows the strong uptrend? Ada tak? Dia cakap ada ni, saya tak tahu lah. Signifying a strong up bullish move. Kat mana? Dari buat, dia nak cari buat dia. Dia tahu tahu dia buat kan. Dia cari sign dia.
when the price touch upper band, upper Bollinger Band, it means the price is overbought and strong uptrend.
Touch, just touch one time.
Many times.
Okay, there is the part that shows the price touch time.
Means when the price is up.
Okay, for the strong downtrend.
Yeah, no strong downtrend. This one.
Okay, you ni tak boleh tak nampak.
So yeah,
Itu
so
saya dah tentu
such lower volume bed?
Confirmation.
After the price, touch the lower bed and cross above the middle bed. That is the confirmation for part.
Okay, so you give the signal by outside or hold the investors.
Investors hold holding a bed.
Why?
Because right now, after the price touch the upper bed, it still didn't cross the middle bed. So there is a possibility of short retracement and the price will go up again.
Only as a gate by signal. Is it the by signal for MA?
Yes.
Why? Mana ada by signal letter? Oh, signal. MACD.
And when the price go down, but the indicator shows
For the coverage, sekarang ni boleh cakap yang coverage. Okay, the coverage. We use it as by signal. Coverage and MACD, betul ke by signal? Why?
Because right now price is still consolidating. Price is still consolidating and just waiting for.
There is very solution.
Right now the price is still Right now the price is still consolidating and waiting for replacement.
Tak, bukan indicators. Indicators cakap consolidated. Kita cakap dekat MACD, dia sekarang ni. Buat cakap pun. Tak simpan lah, sekarang ni buka pun. Kenapa cakap pun?
Because there is no structure. There is no solid structure.
Solid structure.
Structure.
What do you mix with the solid structure? cross tu. Latest, paling hujung.
F cross latest.
Ha? Paling cross ke?
The latest one F cross.
Ya, dia ada cross. Mana ada cross tu? Tengok tu, saya ada. Kalau yang paling hujung tu, biru. Ada cross tu? Yang cross tu sebelum tu, yang latest tu. Ada cross tu. Saya tengok yang latest. Saya cakap kat yang latest. Yang latest, hujung sekali. Dia nak bagi apa, recommendation yang latest. Dia recommendation cross tak? Tak cross kan? Tak cross ada tak? Finance setting kan? RSI Y equal RSI Y equal signal
Because they press at 50% RSI.
okay. Below there is no below 30 macam apa dia kan?
Yes sir.
Now equation next kita letak kat stochastic. Ada chart pun
Because no new cross. No new cross. Between K and E.
yang pertama sekali you need to look the cross between these two. It's always dalam slide, dalam Quran. Pada saya, ini adalah cross between two. Yang pertama sekali you need to look at what sign of the cross tu lah. Yang pertama sekali tu.
Above 80.
Probability or
Below 20.
okay, so final division for investor for the current investor and new investor, what division you need to suggest?
ke